Hi, Divine Feminines. How are you all? So today, this message I have is for only for the Divine Feminines. Um, you all have been in a very positive state of mind, especially in this November second week, and due to this 11:11 portal also, the twin flames are empowered, especially the Divine Feminine, right now, and I know you're enjoying this journey, but in some corner of your mind or your heart, I think you have this thing for your divine masculine that he is not loving you the way you deserve to be loved, or you expect him to behave in a particular way, and he's not giving you that attention, or he's not communicating properly, or not expressing his love. You have some resentment towards him. I think this is happening to us, and the divine masculine and the divine feminine are entirely opposite. How matlab, we expect him to behave in a particular way from our perspective, but the divine masculine do not think in the similar manner. Okay, they are different from us. They think differently. So being a masculine, the divine masculine thinks that it is his prime responsibility to give you a good life, and to protect you from all the bad things. So right now the divine masculines think that he is not good for you. Either he thinks he is not financially stable right now, or he thinks he is in a very toxic situation right now, or facing some family issues, and he thinks if he welcomes you into his life in such a situation, that won't be justified to you. He's doing it for you. So of course he's distancing himself from you. But the reason, the divine masculines are very mysterious. They don't let things out easily. They are like introverts. So you don't have any idea why he's distant. Not even he's letting you know, and even if you ask, he will not tell you the truth. So you just need to understand that divine masculines aren't reaching out because he want to commit to you, he want to have a family with you, he want to spend his life with you as soon as possible, because he know that if he doesn't takes the right step timely, that can do lot of destruction to your hearts. So the divine masculines know that they do not have a lot of time right now, because they themselves do not want to wait. So just have patience, and your masculine is already in pain and sadness because of their helplessness right now. So uh, other than the resentment you have, just bless them, and pray for them so that they come out of the situation. And I think you are not in contact right now, as far as I can sense, for the majority of the divine feminines. But you are missing your divine masculine, and you are a slight angry with them for not communicating their feelings and not communicating properly. But just try to think about things from his perspective, and he definitely loves you a lot. And just please, you know try to understand him. He is not happy to do things. Of course, who would be happy to stay away from his love of his life? So just try to understand things, and do not do this to him. Love him, pray for him, pray for your future with your masculine, and definitely it's gonna happen, the union. And just don't have any hard feelings for him. And may God bless you both with a beautiful reunion soon. Keep working on yourself. And the divine feminines are slowly getting more and more divine, more beautiful, more uh, their soul is more being more enlightened day by day, and divine feminines might be feeling this thing, you know, the betterment they are having in their soul. So along with that, also, forgive your masculines for being childish and behaving in a certain way, which hurted you and is still hurting you. So just calm down and bless him. Please pray for him. And the divine the November portal is already, this divine portal 1111 is already going. And please make use of it, make positive affirmations. Thank you.